Fashion Nova is an American fashion retailer that specializes in fast fashion, offering trendy clothing, shoes, and accessories for women, men, and kids. It was founded in 2006 and has since grown into a popular online brand, known for its affordable prices and quick delivery. To make money online with Fashion Nova in 2024, you can follow these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Research the market. Understand the latest fashion trends and Fashion Nova's target audience. This will help you identify potential opportunities and niches to focus on. 2. Create a social media presence. Build a strong social media presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Share fashion-related content, including outfit ideas, styling tips, and Fashion Nova product reviews. This will help you attract followers and establish yourself as an influencer. 3. Apply for the Fashion Nova Influencer Program. Once you have a decent following, apply to become a Fashion Nova affiliate or influencer. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products to your audience. 4. Create engaging content. Consistently create high-quality, engaging content that showcases Fashion Nova products. Use attractive visuals, creative captions, and hashtags to increase your reach and encourage your followers to make purchases. 5. Leverage affiliate marketing. Share your unique affiliate link with your followers and encourage them to shop through your link. You'll earn a commission for every sale made using your link. 6. Collaborate with other influencers. Partner with other influencers or bloggers in the fashion niche to expand your reach and create more engaging content. 7. Host giveaways and contests. Organize giveaways and contests on your social media platforms where your followers can win Fashion Nova products by following your account, sharing your content, or making purchases. 8. Diversify your income streams. In addition to affiliate marketing, explore other ways to make money online with Fashion Nova, such as sponsored posts, brand collaborations, or even starting your own Fashion Nova-inspired clothing line. 9. Stay updated with trends and promotions. Regularly check Fashion Nova's website and social media pages for new product launches, promotions, and discounts. Share this information with your followers to encourage them to shop. 10. Analyze and optimize. Use analytics tools to track your progress, engagement rates, and sales. Analyze this data to identify what works best for you and optimize your strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can build a successful online career as a Fashion Nova influencer or affiliate marketer, making money while sharing your passion for fashion with others.